Hello students, this is video 2. So now we discuss the representation of the sets in two forms, roster form and standard form. In the roster form, we write all the numbers separately, and in the standard form, we use the set notation. Here I use the word belongs to, this symbol. So x belongs to means x is an element of n. Capital N means natural numbers. So x belongs to a natural number, and what is the restriction on x? If I don't write this one, x is less than 11, if I remove it, if I write only x belongs to n, so then set A consists of all the natural numbers from 1 to infinity, 1, 2, 3, 10, 11, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh, and so on. It continues. Okay. So, but here in the set A, I have given only till number 10. So I have to restrict my x also. X is a natural number. If I leave here, it will go till infinity. But here I don't have only number till the number 10. So the restriction will take place when I put x is less than 11. So hence x is less than 11 means, so it has to stop at 10. Now let me take another example, which is, okay, for example 3, 6, 9, 12. If I go for the example, another example, b equals to 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay, so how do I represent in the, this is the roster form of set P. If I go for standard form, so the standard form of B will be, second I have to put as it is a set, I have to use the curly bracket x such that first of all x equals to, if I look into the numbers in the set B, these are all the multiples of 3, 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12. So x is a multiple of 3. So x is equals to 3a. Now I have to put the restriction on a. First of all, a is a, or instead of is, you can use the control C. A belongs to natural number, and up to what I have to take a value, because I have 3 4 is 12 till 3 4 is 12. So a has to be less than 5, or maybe you can use less than or equals to 4 also. So this is the standard form of the set B. So first x such that x equals to 3 times of a, because every element here is a multiple of 3, so that's why I use the word 3 times of a. Now what is a? Here 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So you are multiplying only with the natural number, so that's why a belongs to natural number. Until what number I am multiplying? 3 4s are 12 only. So 3 4s are 12 means a cannot exceed more than 4. So that's why I kept a is less than 5. So that's how you can represent. Or if I give another example, or vice versa, you can convert in the different way also. Let me show you. X is an integer, x square. I'll take this example if possible. X such that x is an integer and x square is less than 4. Or x is such that x is the letter of the word. Let me put this one. So this is a standard form now. Example 3. This is the standard form of the question. Now if I want to post roster form, okay, let me take this as some set at d equals to, okay, so d equals to, now what is the set d? Here it is saying x such that x is a letter in the word loyal. So that means here I have to write letters in the loyal is L, O Y A. Now you may ask, there is another L. Should I write it? No. So here L repeating twice, but when I write in the roster form, you no need to write twice because already L is written here. That is enough. Again here you no need to mention L. This is not correct. So you can remove that one. Okay. So this is the roster form of the example 3. The questions will be, they give the roster form, you have to convert into the standard form, or they give in the standard form, you have to convert into the roster form. Okay, so these are the questions based on the representation of a set. So these are the 1 mark questions. Now there are some notations. For example, let me take this one only. Okay, I have taken the set A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I can say 6 is an element of A. Okay, because 6 belongs to the set A. So how do we write that one? Oh, sorry, Control Z. 6 is a element of A. Let me go to insert equation. So I use the word 6. Where is this one? Here. 6 belongs to A. This is how you represent 6 is an element of A. So similarly, if I say it does not belongs to A, let me take a number 11. Do you think 11 is an element of A? No, it doesn't belongs to A. So again I use the word does not belongs to A. So is there any word does not belongs to? Okay. So this is the symbol. Is same as the belongs to symbol only, but we have to strike it out. So 11 does not belongs to A. If an element is a set belongs to A, then this is the word belongs to we use. And if element is not an element of the given set, the number is does not belongs to the set. So this is the symbol of does not belongs to. Okay. So next class we are going to study about the types of the set and subset, intersection, union, and all. Okay, now what you have to do is the homework is open the I will send the PDF file of your NCERT book. You can start the first exercise question. Go to the theory before you start the exercise. Before the exercise, there are the explanations are there. Please go through those explanations and start the exercise. And I'll show you what are the questions you can solve. I think till question number uh, first exercise, the entire first exercise you can try it out. Okay. So if any doubts, then you can ask me later on, or you can send in WhatsApp on my number. Okay. Thank you.